We do analyze every angle of the situation. What's the best return on investment for from an energy standpoint? What are regulations for refrigerant? So there's a lot of things that we're able to present to the customer as reasons for replacement, not just it's old and needs to be replaced. All those things are done for the customer to have a complete history and for us to have a complete history. We would never have that before. It was never that way. For years and years, I grew up in this business, not even here at Piedmont, but other places where you would see people do things and you're like, well, that's probably not the best solution for the customer. But the customer didn't know because there was no way to kind of share that. The service manager didn't know. So I think it just brings a level of clarity, assurance, just to verify that things are being done. It's a line of sight to what's being done. Having the ability to look at what the guys have done through the lens as a service manager, or be able to communicate better with the customer as a service manager, what they saw and interpreted, maybe the customer had a question about, or just the customer themselves being able to look at it. A lot of our customers here, industrial, facility services folks, they understand at least what's being said. Maybe they don't know all the ins and outs, but they can see a video, they can see the pictures, they understand.